What is going on YouTube? Bronze Tech here. Wanted to show you guys how I installed my light strips, especially cheap ones. And I didn't want to buy any new ones, so I decided to reuse my old ones, get them from the back of my desk, and place them behind my TV. Now I found one little $7 hack that you can get, and this will be a game changer if you want to reuse your light strips or install them somewhere else. So the sticky adhesive part of the light strip actually wears down a little bit over time, so this is a great solution for that. So here's what you'll need. You'll need these command hooks that I got from Target, but you can also get from Amazon. I'll leave a link below. I'll also leave the link of the Govee light strips that I think are still the cheapest in Amazon. These have worked well for the past year that I've used them, so I can recommend them. Step 1. Figure out where you want to put your light strips and map out where exactly they're going to line up. For me, I decided to put them behind my TV console. I know that you can put them behind the TV, but I wanted to switch things up a little bit and put it behind my TV console. Step 2. Place the adhesive backing of the command hook and follow the instructions on the back of the box. Place the hook where you want it to go. As you can see, I made an outline of where I want the light strips to go. If you want it to go behind the TV, it's going to go on the borders of the TV, making a square. Also, I recommend putting any cables, tucking them under the light strip to prevent any shadows from showing. Next, hook the light strip onto the command hooks, and they should be able to fit seamlessly. Hit that like button for that one-handed USB plug-in. So another key thing to note is that you can either plug the light strip in directly to the back of the TV via USB, or you can use a AC adapter, and here is how it turned out. So that's it. I hope I was informative. I hope I brought you step-by-step instructions on how to reapply this light strip that, kind of wears down over time. And especially if you apply it in different places, you're gonna need to get the command strips in order to reuse them and place them in different areas. Also, I think the command strips are really good for tight corners if you want to turn the light strips in a tight corner. I wanted to do it behind my TV, but I've done that for my past monitors, and I like it better when it's just straight across my desk. I don't know, we'll see. But the fact is, I can actually change it up whenever I want to by just taking out the old command strips and just reapplying them. So if you like this tip, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also I just wanted to thank you everyone who's been commenting and subscribing to my past videos. It's really giving me a chance to kind of explore this YouTube world. Also, I really want to purchase a new camera. I'm thinking of the Sony a6400 to kind of do another vlog type series, and I got a lot of exciting things coming up. So subscribe, support my Patreon, follow me on Twitch if you want to stay up to date with all my content, and I would love to help you guys with your questions. So please feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get to you immediately. So I do have some upcoming great laptop reviews, and I can't wait to share them to you guys. Until the next vid, guys, see you next time.